Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush experience each and every episode with Island style kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yakster the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yakster the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy.
Good morning everybody.
Pow!
As you can see last night we had heavy rain. No place is a bit flooded and sticks are a bit wet but still proceed, you know. A few tricks our granny taught us by ears, so we are going to provide, you know. Just takes a bit of patience, but this soon so a big fire. The sticks will get warm up. Yeah man. Island Style Kitchen.
Subscribers, welcome back in the Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, we're there up on the farm this morning. We plant out some callaloo. Man, I'm tired and hungry now. And we are going to cook some cornmeal porridge with some coconut milk. And we are back up with some tough crackers. Alright, so you are going now. The wood then wet, you know, and you can see bigs catch a fire, but the fire go on slow. So, watch you now.
Wow.
Alright, people, see it now. So these are the ingredients we are going to use to make the porridge today. We have 2 coconuts, so we are going to grate and juice out. We have some vanilla over there, so, and nutmeg. Over here, so we have about a teaspoon of salt. We have about, not even know much cornmeal. We have some cornmeal and we have some sugar, right? So if you sweeten the porridge. Alright, and we're going to put a little bit of almond essence in it. And we are back here with some tough crackers. Alright, so just stay tuned. Well, Jago, there's a better day is coming. So we have saved the coconut water, you know. Our coconut water good for your heart.
Jig, I'm so skip here. Yeah, tell us that. Yeah, sir. Sit there.
Yes, people, you know, Jig got great at coconut. We find a little piece of the coconut husks and then make a spoon, you know. Yeah, man, see there? Island Style Kitchen alone, you can find a spoon there. Then soon put them for sale on Amazon, you know, and eBay and everywhere. So look out. Coconut spoon coming to a store near you online. And see it here? This are the tablespoon size. Although I don't know, I don't measure nothing, but I have a tablespoon, you know, I just make it. And you can drink my porridge same way. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, Giga done great at the coconut, so I'm going to show you the process of making the coconut milk now. I never do this one before, so I'm going to show you this, so you just follow me. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I have some water boil up here, so I'm going to use some of the water to put on the coconut. Now we'll grate it. The hot water extract will hold it more cream, so people, when you can use hot water and juice the coconut. I'm not going to use too much because my hand can't go in there for juices, so I'm going to use some hot water and some room temperature water combined for juice my coconut. As this is going to make the porridge nice. Right now, I'm going to make this one settle in the hot water, people, for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then I'm going to throw some room temperature water on it and juice it out. Yeah man, see it there? Yes people, so see it there? I add little room temperature water on the coconut milk to cool it down so my hand can go in it, you know? And see it there, you have to just put your hand in it and squeeze out the juice out of it like so. Yeah man, so you have to deal with it, you know? So you deal with the coconut juice. So you get it the real way. All natural, you know? Island Style Kitchen way. It's the only way. Keep it authentic and real. Alright people, so I see you juice the coconut milk, you know? Just use the strainer. You take up some, and you squeeze it out. Look at this, yeah? See it there? Coconut milk juice. And sometimes you can juice this again, you know. You can't really do that today because I don't really need the more coconut juice. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the pot now, people. Stay tuned. We are putting a little salt in the pot. I don't know how much. This is about maybe about a teaspoon and a half of salt. I have some nutmeg and cinnamon right there, so. It's about 1 teaspoon. This is about 1 teaspoon. So that's about a teaspoon of almond extract. Alright, and right now I'm putting some vanilla in the porridge pot. Yeah man, vanilla make porridge nice. Porridge can't cook without vanilla. See there? Put in vanilla in the pot, make it taste nice. I go in the pot, Because you know, so we're not using no cow's milk or no evaporated milk or none of them condensed milk, you know. See it here? Organic milk we use. This is the only milk we use to cook, you know. Coconut milk. So see it there? But you can't use any milk you don't want to use still, you know. Because if you don't have coconut, you just have to use what you have to use, you know. But this me use and this me like because it give my pot good flavor and healthy for you too, you know. Some people will put butter in the pot or a little bit of oil when they cook them porridge, but I don't have to put nothing in it because when the coconut cook, it produces its own oil and it's healthy, so we just keep it away there, you know. All organic and natural. Alright, so I'm going to leave this and make it boil up, and as soon as it boil up, I'm going to show you what it look like and we put it in the cornmeal. Alright, now I'm going to sort out the cornmeal, put it in the pot, and the pot over this will boil up, you know. See it boil up, so we just throw in the cornmeal in here, so I don't even know how much cornmeal this is, you know. To be honest with you, I don't know. So maybe about 6 cups of cornmeal or so. So I just throw in this in here, so, and mix it out. You have to mix up the cornmeal in some water before you put it in the pot, or else the porridge will go lumpy. So you mix it out like this. I think I'm going to put in some more cornmeal in it still. So people, I'm adding some more cornmeal because I think some extra people will come over for porridge. So, you know, so once island style I put people are forward. Show them water bubble up, Bix. See there, the coconut milk and the pot bubble up. So throw in the cornmeal in the pot, you know. And just stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright people, I have a big spoon to this still, you know, but the spoon have to work. So these people, once you throw in the cornmeal, you have to keep mixing this until the cornmeal come together. Because if you don't do that, you're going to have lump in the pot. And we don't want no lump in the pot, you understand me? Yeah man, we don't want no lump in the pot, so you have to keep mixing the cornmeal until it come together. And then you can stop mixing. Yes, people, see it there? The porridge pop nice. If you look close up, look at the porridge. Right up pop. See it? Porridge nice and thick. Yes, alright now, I think it's too thick, so I'm going to put little water in it still. People, I left the big spoon today, you know. You know, I left the big spoon to raw today. This when the porridge pop, you should burn up my hand. And people, if you're adding water to your porridge, make sure you use hot water. So the water I have here is some hot water, so it doesn't drop the temperature of what you're cooking. Anything you're cooking, once you're gonna add water to it, make sure you add warm water, hot water. Don't use like a room temperature water. Use hot water. Alright, so the porridge look really nice already, people. See it there? Right now, I'll give this about another 15 minutes to cook. The porridge don't take long for cooking, people. Cornmeal cook easy. And then I'm going to sweeten it and take it off. People, so we are sweetening porridge now, you know. See it here? I throw about, I don't even know this. I'm just throwing some sugar in the pot here, sir. Yeah, man, so I'm throwing about, I don't even know, about 2 cups of sugar in the pot. So I mix it out now. And then I'm going to taste it and then I'm going to take it off because I think you're ready still, you know, but...
Yeah, man, you look good, you look good.
Yeah.
Simmer down.
Don't make it sweet, and if a man wants sugar, I add sugar to him porridge later, but I don't make it sweet. Island style, I cook with no olive or salt or sugar in our food. And we get up in an age and in a good fear, you know. Right now, I'm going to call my son and make him come over for some because it's of my son's favorite thing, you know. Cornmeal porridge. How many porridge boy drinking a Jigo?
Yeah, man. You know good things.
Big thank you. Wait, Big, what feel?
Good man,
Nothing good. Yeah, watch happy there, watch.
That's some vegan cooking, you know?
Some vegan cooking.
Yeah.
Yes, you ready for your porridge?
Long time, man.
Alright, boss. We'll start you right now. Quick and fast. People, so the porridge ready. And we're going to share you out now. Yes, Jigo, give the video a close up look at the porridge. Look. See, they're nice and thick porridge. So right now, Big so hungry, so I'm going to share out Big's porridge first, you know. And we are going to eat some tough crackers with this. I'm going to put some flaxseed on it. You know, flaxseed good for cholesterol and all those things. So if you have cholesterol issues, flaxseed is it. Otherwise called linseed. So eat up on the flaxseed. Big's are going to beat up this one and then later Big's will take a next bowl because I know so this can hold Big's. Jigo, you think this can hold Big's?
We can try and see. First round that, you know.
First round?
Yeah, man.
Yes. Real big man are dealing in porridge, you know. How do you put on the porridge, Big's?
Flaxseed, you know?
Sprinkle some flaxseed on it.
Yeah, man. Cholesterol.
Good for cholesterol.
And a button.
And a button. Alright, so you mash up some crackers.
Yeah, man. Take a portion.
You take a portion?
Take up for right now.
You take up for right now.
Yeah, man.
But Big's the original plate over there, so you know.
And a feet diet.
And a feet ahead.
Rich 1,000 growth juice.
You 1,000 subscribers.
2,000 subscribers. Yeah, then.
Alright, people, don't hear it. Share it with a friend and another friend so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. So Big Sky back out of the big plates. People, my son is here at the farm with me today. And I'm going to enjoy porridge over there. So see him there.
I like
You like it? Yeah? Tell the people what kind of porridge you're drinking.
it's called cornmeal porridge. It's very good.
Who made the best porridge?
Daddy.
Yeah? Yes, and today we have a special guest here at the farm with us.
Thank you so much, Island Style Kitchen, for my porridge. I love my little coconut spoon and my plate. Thank you.
Come on, so Raymond over here at the VIP lounge.
Yeah.
I drink up some porridge.
We will caramel porridge with coconut milk.
Yeah.
Best from the days of my grandma.
Wow, that was yummy.
Yeah?
Thank you, Daddy, for cooking this amazing food.
Let me see your plate. Show the people your plate. You like that plate?
Yeah.
Size? What you like? Can you find that plate to buy anywhere?
No,
Who made that plate?
you.
Yes, Jago.
Come on, it's good.
Hello.
Come on.
Alright, Biggs.
Yeah, man. It's good. Me, I go on. Look it down.
Yeah?
But you mess people. For these recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Island Style Kitchen. Alright? Have a good one. See you again next episode.
Island Style Kitchen. Cornmeal porridge. Coconut milk and some flaxseed. See spoon I'm gonna make earlier. Simple thing without waste. I can just say, Tony and I make fashion boy. Right, man. Right now this one simple breakfast and I can apply and I hope you enjoy the recipe. Yeah, man. Show Island Style Kitchen some love by doing the right thing. Like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. One love.